Ooh, going into the depths
Oh, I like wagon wheels.
of wagon wheels. Let's see how bad this climb is. You know,
Which way's up?
I think of that.
Let's go.
Amanda, I don't even think I could climb that. If the trail's over here. Trail.
Bad sign.
Bad sign.
Bad sign.
Bad sign.
Bad sign.
Okay.
Oh, Rocky.
Ew.
Woo, move.
Oh, yuck. Wet feet. Oh, for crying out loud. Are we really going to do this?
Here we go.
Do you want me to put the camera in here, Jen?
I'm playing.
I don't trust you.
I might fall. Who cares? Woo. Uh-oh. My legs are shaking from the last time.
At least he's on stairs.
Okay, Andrew. You can get up into it. I just don't remember how. There's a cave up there. We'll try to figure out how to get into it. But we're going to check out the one over there first.
Maybe you go through the one over there and up that.
Probably. Very pretty. I guess he's a lifeguard. I'm peeing.
Andrew.
Look.
It looks like I'm peeing.
Huh? Here. It doesn't look 70 feet, does it? Very pretty though. My legs are shaking like crazy. It's flooded. Yeah. Usually people swim in here, but not today.
That's a better photograph.
This is true. The cave is over there. My legs are shaking.
Mine do when I like stand straight, but
There's that, and the observatory up top. See?
Oh, observatory.
There goes Nanners. The kids are doing no-nos over there. They aren't supposed to be getting in the water. Oh, they got a rock. What are they going to do with the rock? We can guess, can't we? Naughty, naughty boys.
Boys on the board.
That's such a cool waterfall.